Sa Wallow Prison, it's a must visit guys kapag nandito kayo sa Hanoi. Dito kami ngayon sa Train Street. Morning guys! Rise and shine. It's our day 2 here in Hanoi, Vietnam guys. And it's so early. It's still 8 in the morning. Actually late na nga kami guys kasi nagpa-alarm kami at 7:30 for breakfast but we're still sleepy. Kaya yan, ngayon lang kami bumangon. So right now guys, pupunta kami sa taas to have breakfast kasi may libreng breakfast yung binook namin. And yun na nga, nag-start na siyang umulan guys. Hopefully hindi siya lalakas, parang ambon-ambon lang naman. But yeah, yung agenda pala natin today, pupunta kami sa Dongshuan Market. Gustong pumunta ni Rhea doon kasi check daw siya ng mga pasalubong. Tapos after Dongshuan, pupunta tayo sa Wallow Prison. And try din natin yung Tam V, which is Michelin. Murang Michelin star dito sa Vietnam, guys. And I think in the whole world, I think. Tapos let's see kung ano yung other itinerary na.
Train Street.
Pupunta tayo Train Street train. Pupunta kami ng Lotte Mall. So, yun, madami din tayong lakad today kasi maximize natin yung oras kasi walang tour today, cancel. So, yun. Yan yung agenda. So, right now, mag-breakfast lang tayo, guys, dito sa Chic Hanoi Boutique Hotel. Tingnan natin kung ano yung food nila. Alright, let's go. So, dito na tayo guys. Kain na tayo. This is the breakfast. Rice soup. Kunti lang yung pagpipilian guys. But, okay na din at least may breakfast. Magkakabusog din. Madami na din silang mga gulay at saka bread. So, yan. Kain tayo, guys. This is the area, buffet area guys. Wala na masyadong food. So, parang adobo, pansit, sausage, tomatoes.
Yung pineapple?
No.
Burger?
Yes, one only. So,
Then, I ordered.
yeah, there's a la carte options. If you want some scrambled eggs, noodle soup. Hello, good morning guys again. We are out and we are going to Dongshuan Market. So it's 10 a.m. guys. So from Hanoi Chic going to Dongshuan, it will only take us 8 to 10 minutes walk. So makulimlim ngayon guys. Sana ganito lang yung weather. Hindi umulan. Pero may dala kaming payong. Ready kami guys. Ready kami sa weather dito sa Vietnam.
at least may positive tayong natanggap na message today. At least tomorrow, tuloy yung ninbin natin. Woohoo! Yan lang yun yung nilook forward namin guys na tour. So, yeah. Maybe later din today maghahanap kami ng salon because we will try to try namin yung head spa, tapos magpapa-haircut si Rhea, and then magpapa-nails din ako. So, we're hoping guys, ganito yung weather throughout the day. Ay! Pero,
Hi guys!
nandito na tayo sa Dongshuan. Lapit lang talaga siya sa hotel namin, guys. Walking distance lang, at saka yung Hangma Street. Where you can find colorful decorations. I think may festival kasi may dragon dance kagabi din. May daming ding nagbebenta ng mga anik-anik na mga dragon, guys. So I think there's something like they're celebrating, but we are not sure what is the celebration.
Kaya pala sobrang busy.
Kaya oo, kaya ang daming tao. Baka holiday din dito. Kasi it's Monday, supposedly nasa trabaho. Yan yung harap ng Dongshuan, guys.
So, papasok namin guys. Go! Hey! Dito na kami sa loob. Yes. Ito ang coffee, oh. We can come back there later. Let's go. Meron dito mga anek-anek. Meron. Ito tayo sa gitna.
Yan po, puma. Madaming
Yan. Ito yung gitna. This is the middle fountain of Dongshuan Market. Para siyang Divisoria. Or Baclaran. Yeah. Okay.
guys, daming mixed nuts dito. Daming free taste.
Start.
Pero yan. May tart din sila.
So, mag-taste start?
Nag-start ng umulan, guys. So, madami kaming nabili actually ng mga anik-anik. So, free taste, may free taste dito. Try, ano yan? Half kilo? Sige daw, try.
Unit isa?
Tart. Mix nut. Sarap. Grabe dito, guys. Hindi matamis. So, yung half kilo daw is 100,000 dong. So, we'll buy half kilo. Hi guys, nakabalik na kami dito sa hotel. Umuulan na siya guys. Medyo lumalakas na yung ulan. Buti na lang may dala kaming payong guys. So madami kaming nabili doon sa Dongshuan. So it's worth to visit naman kung nandito kayo guys. Kasi pwede nyo talagang mahagil yung price. Yung mga clothing area, hindi siya masyadong nasa good quality, pero mura na. Yung may na mga item kami na nagustuhan, kaso yung mga iba, meron mga brand na mga nilalagay nila. So, parang nasa harap. So, ayaw namin. Bumili si Ryan ng Saigon beer.
Kasi nakatry na kami ng Hanoi kahapon. So,
Mm.
let's try the Saigon.
So, yung hotel pala namin, guys, next yung, anong tawag dito? Next na yung Circle K. So, yung convenience store dito
Very convenient.
sa Hanoi. Oo. So, madaming Circle K dito. Same ng 7-Eleven kasi walang 7-Eleven dito sa Vietnam, guys. So, Circle K lang.
And then, I thought kagabi malayo yung binook ni Abby na hotel sa around the fourth quarter. Pero malapit pala siya sa mga market. Yung mga Dongshuan, yung Hangma. 4 minutes walk lang. So it's fine. Tapos hindi siya maingay kasi nga malayo kami sa Pier Street.
Yung sa pinaka-sentro talaga ng Old Quarter. So, yeah, I would recommend this place, guys, if nandito kayo sa Hanoi. And then, madami ding mga local shop, local restaurants nearby. Oh, may mga, if nakita nyo dito, may Tired City Local Arts and Gifts. So, madami silang branches dito all over Old Quarter, kahit saan-saan na street, guys. Yan yung na-observe ko kagabi. Kahit saan kami pumunta, may Tired City na branch. Siguro sikat dito,
Local
itong
nila na
yeah, na brand. May mga t-shirt, tote bags, iba-ibang mga anek-anek. So, hindi pa kami naka-visit ng isang shop, but let's see kung ano nasa loob. Yeah. So, yeah, so what I've said, guys, umuulan na. Medyo lumalakas na yung ulan, pero hindi naman mahangin. Ulan lang.
Kaya
Eh.
itinerary for after this is maghahalong piso na lang kami para sa loob.
Walo prison.
Ay, walo piso.
Oh, kasi indoor lang naman siya.
indoor siya.
Oo. So kapag uulan, hindi na siguro kami pupunta ng yung Ngoksong Temple, yung sa may Wang Kiem Lake. Kasi outdoor yun. If uulan. If hindi naman, then we will stick to the plan. And yeah, let's see guys kung ano yung pwede namin gawin later. But
It's rainy day.
it's rainy day here in Hanoi, guys.
What to do?
Yeah.
See you later.
Alright, inom muna kami.
Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day when we fell in love.
Guys, malakas na ulan.
What to do? We need to eat. And then naka-shoes pa ako. And maybe... Pero yung mga tao dito parang wala lang pakialam. Naka-raincoat talaga siya. Gusto talaga mag-ano talaga. Gusto talaga nilang laag-laag. Sa gauan. Ano lang pag-laag. Eh.
Dak na na.
Bakit mo?
Ara, ungit, oh.
Ha?
Ara.
Wait na. Ay. Dito lang pala. Sabi ko parang nadaanan ko eh. Parang nabasa ko yung net na yan eh.
Yan, doon kami kakain.
Let's eat. Because we're vegan. Sige na, let's go. Dito lang pala tayo.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is the three-way spring rolls, guys. So they have the traditional spring rolls, the fried one, and what's the other one? Pork and shrimp. And then sweet chili sauce. So, yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Taste test. Let's try.
So as you can see,
This is the traditional one. Okay. It's really good. It's good. I like it. Try it. Abby's turn. Try it. You didn't get this.
I love.
Cheers.
So far, so good.
Cheers. Yum. So guys, we ordered fried rice with egg. Looks yum. And fried rice with shrimp. Yeah, may shrimp yan ha. Nakatago lang, but with shrimp. Alright, we're just waiting for one more dish. It's lovely. Hey! Show us how to eat. So guys, we do have this traditional grilled fish with the noodles and the vegetables and the pineapple and nuts. Then, spring roll, fried rice. Tapos, he will show us now how to eat this
When you open
traditional fish.
Kaya yung fried rice.
What? For the shrimp? Yeah. Shrimp. Shrimp. Very small ones. Pero okay lang. Let's wait for him. Kasi, to show you how to eat this one. Wala na battery na. Okay guys, so let's try na the traditional grilled fish. With oregano and some lettuce.
are you safe?
I like it. The sauce as well. It makes so much difference pag sinawsaw mo sa sauce.
Okay.
Hey guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Walo Prison Museum, isa sa mga pinaka-historic na places dito sa Hanoi, Vietnam. For the entrance fee, nagbayad kami ng 50,000 Vietnamese dong per person at nag-avail din kami ng audio guide for an additional fee. I highly recommend getting one kasi ang daming stories and details na baka ma-miss nyo kung this place lang ang titingnan niyo. So let me share a little bit about the history of this place. Walo Prison was built by the French in 1896 during the French colonial period in Vietnam. Originally, tinawag itong Maison Centrale and it was mainly used to imprison Vietnamese political prisoners and people who were fighting for Vietnam's independence. Pagpasok namin, makikita nyo agad kung kaano ka-harsh ang conditions dito noon. May mga small cells, heavy chains, and different objects na ginagamit ng mga prisoners. Habang naglalakad kami sa loob, mas naiintindihan mo kung gaano kahirap ang buhay ng mga taong nakakulong dito. Later on, during the Vietnam War, part of the prison was used to hold American prisoners of war, including captured pilots. Dito rin nanggaling ang internationally known nickname na Hanoi Hilton. Ang interesting sa audio guide is hindi lang siya puro facts about the building. May mga stories din about the actual people who who were imprisoned here. There are around 35 audio guide stops covering different sections of the prison, historical events, and personal stories. And honestly, iba yung feeling kapag nandito ka mismo compared sa pagbabasa lang about this place online. Seeing the actual cells, prison walls, and artifacts makes the history feel much more real. So if you are visiting Hanoi and interested kayo sa history, I definitely recommending adding Wallow Prison Museum to your itinerary. Hindi lang siya basta tourist attraction, guys. It is a place that gives you a glimpse into a very difficult and important parts of Vietnam's history.
Ah, 16. Hi guys! We are
guys.
done! Dito sa Wallow Prison. It's a must visit guys kapag nandito kayo sa Hanoi. Like, the story was like moving, sad.
But a lot of encouragement to live. Tapos, very creative yung mga prisoners nila. Ang dami nilang na-create at naisip to live inside the prison and also para maka-escape. Kasi sobrang sad talaga ng mga ginagawa sa kanila. But we will not give you full details. You have to come here and experience.
Nakaka-goosebumps guys yung story nila.
And then makikita nyo yung real prison doon sa loob.
Ito talaga yung prison dati.
Scary.
Tapos, yeah, ginawa nilang tourism guys. And then nandun pa rin yung dati na original na presohan. Na nandun yung mga Vietnamese. Doon sila kinulong. Sobrang nakaka-goosebumps.
Tsaka yung pang pugot ulo.
Oo. As in guys, dapat yung puntahan kapag nandito kayo sa Hanoi. Don't miss this. Sobrang di ko basta nakakilabot yung story. Hi guys, dito na kami sa Better Me Shoes. Check natin kung magaganda yung sapatos dito kasi sikat sila dito guys. Alright, you have to no shoes allowed inside. Okay. Hi.
May masaya na namang babae.
Uy, grabe siya.
Shopping yard.
Yeah, I bought 2 pairs of shoes.
Walo kasi yung paa nito. Kaya kailangan yung maraming sapatos. Yeah. Okay. We're leaving. Bye.
Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Richik. So, ito pala yung shopping district, guys. Yung mga shop-shop ng mga pang-office, mga damit-damit. Yun, nandito siya, guys. Malapit lang sa Wallow Prison, actually. So, yeah. If may time kayo, pwede kayong pumunta dito and pwede kayong mag-shopping dito. Charot. Shopping yarn. Hi!
Evening. Hindi sila ng ulan ngayon. Enjoy namin ang
Nandito kami ngayon sa Train Street. Maghahanap muna kami ng matatamo. You want upstairs or mas nindot daw up? Oh. So ito yung train track, guys. Train track. So guys, nakaupo na kami dito. Eh, so nice. Train Street. Cheers na. Cheers.
What time is the train coming?
Ang daming tao, guys.
The 1 hour. 1 hour more? Yeah.
1 hour pa. Kasi kakadaan lang ng train, guys. 6:10. So next schedule is 7:40. Kulang kami dito. Ano 1 hour. Bilis lang naman yung oras, guys. Mabuti na lang, hindi na umulan. At least maganda dito yung ministehan namin kasi pwede kami pumasok sa loob in case umulan. Right? Magkano yung beer natin?
50,000.
50,000. Daming tao, guys, actually. Very lively. Diba? Yung release, naging lively. Amazing.
Sana sa Pinas ganun din. Sana.
Very, very creative talaga sila, guys. Yung release na gawa nilang turismo, which is nakakatulong din sa mga tao dito na mag-business, nakakatulong na sa mga tao na like work-wise, no? Ay, nice sausage, yes. Sausage. So, ang ganda dito, guys. Hindi ko alam ano yung reaction ko kapag dumating na yung train. Let's see. But exciting, exciting.
Guys, malapit na yung train. Dumating. Tapos, traditional daw dito maglagay ng stanza ng beer. Sa release. Souvenir daw.
Okay.
Souvenir, souvenir.
7 minutes more. 7 minutes.
Dito lang may relaxing. Quickly daw, love. Love, quickly daw. Trains coming. Basa na. Basa na.
Uy mo to ka?
Tapos sobrang lakas ng ulan, guys. Guys, sobrang lakas ng ulan. It's so fun. Guys, lahat ng tao nakatayo na. Kasi bawal umupo. Baka mahagip. Lahat nasa gilid. Look. Ako nagkatao. Baka pag nahagip yung mga naglalakad.
Keep moving! Hurry up! It's going to be coming! Keep moving! Fast!
Faster! The train
Faster!
is coming! Train
Hurry!
is coming!
Quick!
Oh my God! This
Hey!
Faster!
Faster! Hey!
Guys, for safety, sinasabihan naman ng mga may-ari ng restaurant yung mga tao dito. Pero may mga iba talagang apaka lang talaga. Okay, we're back, guys. We're back at the train street. Train street here. Medyo delay lang.
Water resistant? Okay.
Ay, tagal.
Na-delay ang train, guys. We're waiting for almost 7 minutes now. Wala pa rin yung train. Medyo na-delay. Kasi ang daming tansan sa Riles, kaya medyo na-delay yung train. Oh! Choo-choo! Jeep-jeep! Guys, kanina pa sila whistle ng whistle, wala pa rin. It's been 30 minutes. No, it's 20 minutes ago. Late na siya. May delay lang ng konti. Kasi daw, may pinick up pa yung train. So we don't know kung talagang darating siya. Oh, dahil umulan, nabasa ang train. Kaya medyo delay. Ayan na. Everybody's cheering. The train is here. Malaki pala siya. Kaya pala. Sobrang lapit, guys. Sobrang lapit. Ang haba. Mabagal na yung takbo. Mabagal na yung takbo kasi hindi niya maraming tao. Kaya medyo hindi niya binilisan. Yeah. There's a train. There's a train right there. What's here? Kaya ba medyo na-delay siya? Okay. Umagal. More. Okay na, guys. Dalawa yung tansan ko. Oh my God, kawawa yung tansan ko. Ayan na yung tansan ko, guys. That's my tansan. Kawawa yung tansan. This is a souvenir from Biabet. Biabet cold beer. How was it?
So cool! I didn't realize ganun kalaki, guys. Kaya pala so strict sila na hindi dapat dito lang talaga banda sa may line, guys. Hindi ka dapat tawag dito. Kasi malapad pala yung train. Kaya you have to listen to the locals, guys, kasi it's so dangerous, you know? But it's super fun. Super fun.
Yeah, it's super fun.
Yeah, super fun.
Sana maulit, pero baka bukas ulit. Let's see, pagka earlier. Kasi tonight, gabi na kami pumunta dito. Pero mas maraming tao pag gabi daw eh. Kaya trinay namin ni Abby.
Ay, bakit ko kayo nagkakita
So yeah. But it's so fun. We have the Tansan for souvenir. Alright. See you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, we are back at the hotel. So after Train Street guys, it's just a few minutes walk papunta sa hotel namin. And we book finally guys because I've been trying to book a hair wash or head spa guys, but sa dalawang natanungan ko, they're fully booked tonight. So may nakita ako Amora Spa. So pupuntahan namin ngayon. Ang appointment namin is 8:45. So magpapa hair spa tayo guys. So kukunin yung mga anek-anek sa ulo natin. Na-try natin yan dito. So yeah, we're going out and I'll update you later.
Stress na yung tsura.
Nandito na kami sa spa.
Dito na sa spa.
So, yung kinuha ko is nourishing shampoo plus facial for 75 minutes. Tanggal yung balakubak.
Tanggal yung ulo mo for 75 minutes.
And then for Rhea is the nourishing shampoo lang yung kinuha niya. 60 minutes. Oh, di ba? Bongga.
Ganyan dapat maligo, mga 1 hour talaga. Talagang 1 hour dapat maligo para tanggal lahat.
So, itong Amora Spa, 10 minutes walk from our hotel, guys. So,
Nearby lang.
Nearby lang nga. So, if you want to consider this one, if you're here in Hanoi, then we'll let you know our review later, guys, after our session. Yes. Yeah.
See you.
All the way up.
Ay, nasa 5th floor ata.
Exercise.
Exercise.
Before.
How many floors? 4. 4, yeah.
We're on the 4th floor.
So we're done na guys. We're done na. It's so refreshing. Nice. Feels so clean. Ay, sarap. Tsaka mura lang siya. Sa Dubai, napakamahal. Pero okay lang. Sarap dito sa Vietnam. Very good experience for us. Bye!
Which means I will have to see you to the airport. No, but he's flying back.
There she is. Hello, hello. Thank you so much.
Can you give us some comments about the
Of
survey
course.
today? Sorry today we a little bit busy.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
Survey.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh.
Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa The 8 Cafe. Along the road lang siya guys. Malapit na lang, malapit sa hotel namin. So madami din silang options dito. So yung in-order namin is pho, beef. Kasi gusto ni Rhea mag-sabaw. And isang fried rice with pork. So yung in-order namin, and then nag-order ako ng smoothies, mango smoothies, and si Rhea yung calamansi.
So, yeah. Kain na naman kami guys after massage kain. Maaga pala kami bukas guys. 7:30 daw yung pick up namin. So, yun. Matutulog kami ng maaga pagkatapos kumain. Then, tomorrow is another day. So, maybe I'll end the vlog after this. Or I will show you our food guys para makita nyo. So, nandito na yung order ni Rhea. Rice and pork. Yeah. Oh, good. Taste test na. Ay, mamaya na.
Ayan na. Pagdating ng fa. Fries kami.
Okay, nandito na yung with
Pero walang green.
walang greens guys. So, yeah.
That's it. Thank you.
Guys, we are done. We are so busog.
Sobrang laki ng mga servings nila. Especially the pho.
Yeah. Good for 2 person na guys. So, kapag mag-order kayo ng pho, isa lang kasi ang sobrang laki ng serving. Hindi nyo halos
Kasi yung bowl
maubos.
nila is
So, total bill natin for tonight's dinner is 210,000. So, 32 dirhams guys yung nabayaran natin tonight for the dinner. And sobrang sulit na, no? Kasi may mango juice kami. Then,
calamansi juice.
calamansi juice.
Then, one set meal, pork and fries. And then, soft.
Sobrang sulit. Okay, so, nandito na kami guys sa hotel namin. And, yeah, we're gonna end the vlog. And thank you for joining us today. As we
Yes! See you tomorrow,
Yeah.
Ninbin.
So, we're so
Ninbin.
excited.
Ninbin.
Alright, good night. Ciao.
Good night. Dala lang kami ni Abby mamaya sa after 100 steps. Parang hindi na makahinga.
I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta